How's it, folks? In Hawaii, we often flash a shaka hand signal to greet people. The shaka is also used to convey other meanings, including friendship, understanding, approval, thanks, and goodbye. To make a shaka hand signal, extend the thumb and little finger upward and outwards, curl the middle three fingers, and add some unique hand motion. Talking about hands, did you ever notice that the back of your hands are often exposed to direct sunlight when working in your garden? Eventually, sun-damaged skin and photoaging often results. Symptoms include wrinkles, actinic keratosis, spots, blotches, age spots, loose skin, and even skin cancer. The fingers are usually curled or partially curled and are somewhat protected from sun damage. I also notice some pain on the backs of my hands when exposed to direct sunlight. An obvious answer is to wear gloves to protect against sunlight damage, but this comes at the cost of reduced dexterity. Looking downward while searching for a solution, I noticed there was a hole in my sock. Maybe, just maybe, this could be the answer to my dilemma. So I took off my sock, placed it on the table, then carefully addressed the sock. "Hello, sock." No, that's not what I mean. Let's cut the sock right above the hole in the heel. Then cut off the toe area. Two small cuts are placed about an inch below the open toe end. The heel area on the upper piece of the sock is trimmed, and two small cuts are placed about an inch below this open end. And get ready for this, folks, the world premiere of the Socka Shaka Glove. Socka Shaka Glove. Hey, it's got a little ring to it. Socka Shaka Glove. Okay, let's put on the other Socka Shaka Glove. Oops, I need a little more practice with my left hand shaka. So I'll put the Socka Shaka Glove on my right hand and do a proper shaka. These Socka Shaka Gloves will protect the backs of my hands from sunlight damage without restricting my fingers from their full range of dexterity. Long sleeves and Socka Shaka Gloves will protect my arms and hands from sunlight damage while harvesting lettuce. Here I'm showing off my Socka Shaka Gloves and my hydroponic tomatoes. Socka Shaka Gloves have other uses. If you need to kneel, a Socka Shaka Glove can provide a readily available knee pad. Socka Shaka Gloves may be folded over to provide a little extra padding for your hands when shoveling materials. Rubber gloves cause my hands to sweat, and Socka Shaka Gloves may be worn inside the rubber gloves to absorb the moisture. Sometimes you need to clean up a mess. Then just sacrifice a Socka Shaka Glove. And throw it away when you're finished. By then, you will probably have another pair of socks with holes, and you can make more Socka Shaka Gloves. And remember, you get 2 pairs of Socka Shaka Gloves from every pair of socks. And then you can practice your right-hand shakas, your left-hand shakas, your two-hand shakas, and your special goodbye shaka.